So hello everyone. In this session of today, we are going to discuss about and we're going to learn about the analysis of job description. So like whenever we get a job description from the hiring manager or else we get an understanding of the requirement, we usually create a job description. And in sometimes when it comes to the consulting businesses, they usually get the job description from the client organizations, and we need to accordingly sort out some of the keywords which we'll be using while searching the right candidates over the platforms like Naukri or LinkedIn. So in today's session, we'll be like looking into such kind of job description and we'll try to like sort out the keywords out of it. So let's go to the job description that I have in handy with me. Perfect. So over here, you can see the job description for the role of senior front-end or UI developer. So over here, UI stands for user interface. So this person is usually responsible for the development for the UI, that is user interface, for any application or else for web applications, you can say, for us for this mobile applications. So UI is available everywhere. So whatever you can see on my screen right now, it's a part of the user interface that the developer has developed for us. And accordingly, when we click somewhere, let's say I click here, this screen will appear. So somewhere the backend is also running. So yeah, so coming to the job description itself, here we can see in the qualifications the client needs someone who has done his bachelor's or equivalent experience degree in computer science or related field. So in such scenarios, we usually go for like BE or BTech in computer science or else IT or else a certain related field itself, or else we can also go for, like as they have mentioned, equivalent experience. So in that case, we can also go for like BSc computer science or like BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application, MSc, MCA. The stream which somehow is related to the computer science department will be like focusing on such kind of streams. So going down to the skills and responsibility, here we can see we need someone who has a hands-on experience with responsive and progressive web application development. So this certainly will be our skill, keywords that we'll be using while searching for the candidates. So let's say I create a new line over here and I mention keywords. Okay, so I paste it here. Now the second keyword we saw is progressive. Okay. Now the client also needs someone who has an experience using frameworks like Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is again our new keyword because the person will be using the framework like Bootstrap. Apart from that, they need an experience as it is a front-end development role. So always remember that keywords or else the skill sets like HTML and CSS come handy. HTML and CSS come in handy, although it is not mentioned over here, but it is expected from the person that he knows or she knows CSS as well. See, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So whatever we see over here, let's say we have a component over here. So HTML creates a framework for any web page or else any application, and CSS is the styling. You can see the developer mentioned on over here, and the CSS made the styling like it's in the square. It was supposed to be in the square box and the rounded at the it's rounded at the corners. So this is the styling that the developer has done for us to make it look good. So CSS is used to make the pages or else the applications look better. So coming back to the job description again, we have got our keywords like responsive, progressive, bootstrap, HTML, CSS. Now the next keyword is JavaScript. JavaScript is used to add the functionalities to the pages, or as once we click on here, something should happen in the back end, or this page should lead us to another page. These kind of functionalities are being used with the help of JavaScript. Next is they have given us the frameworks. So as it is mentioned over here, or this means any one of these frameworks should work. if a person has an experience with AngularJS or Angular or React.js. If he has